Hi, my name is Ivan, and welcome to my beautiful country. I'd like to know your thoughts on Quran-only Muslims, why they reject the Hadith, and how do they practice the religion without referring to the Hadith.
Brother asked the question that there are Muslims who follow the Quran and reject the Hadith. And how can they follow Islam without practicing Hadith? If you follow the Quran, there are no less than 20 places the Quran says, Atiullah, Atiur Rasul. Obey Allah and obey the Messenger. If you follow the Quran, you have to follow the Hadith. If you don't follow the Hadith, you can't follow the Quran. Many places, including Surah Nisa, chapter 4, 59 says, Atiullah, Atiur Rasul. Obey Allah and obey the Messenger. So if you want to follow the Quran, you have to follow the Hadith. Quran is a telegraphic message. Many a times for details, you have to go to the Hadith. Quran says give zakat. How much to give? You find in the Hadith, 2.5%. Quran says offer salah. Something is mentioned, not details, you go to the Hadith. So anyone who says I'll only follow Quran, will not follow Hadith, he cannot practically follow the Quran. Because Quran says, obey Allah and obey the Messenger. So you cannot be a practicing Muslim until you follow Quran and the authentic Hadith, the sayings of the last and final Messenger, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Hope that answers the question.
Okay.